for the garnish chives that I'm about to chop off. Hop, hop, chop, chop. Woot. So windcrafting isn't just forgery. Um, when you follow certain rules like certain plants are only picked at certain times of the month or certain times of the day. There are rules like you don't take more than a third of the foliage. You never rip a plant out by the roots unless you need the roots. You try to leave as much of the plant there as possible or encourage it to grow more. If you see any parasites on a plant, even if it's not bothering your picking of it, you try to clear off any parasites to make the kind of as a return thank you to the plant, that sort of thing. So yes, foraging, but more witchy. Do, 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 do. Go. Like I said, this channel is called Kitchen Heathens for a reason. There we go. Save these for garnishing later. Alrighty. Ba, 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 ba. And we're back to McDonald's. Yay! Alrighty, so we're just gonna chop these into little pieces. Not like super little, but like stir-fryable pieces. I like these because they have a stronger oniony flavor. Oopsie, got a few roots in there. Didn't ask for you to be in there. Rude. There. That's better. All right, and we'll go ahead and put these for the stir fry. So like I said, this isn't the part you're supposed to typically put in this, but I like this end of the green onions if you don't have the garlic chives this recipe calls for. Oh, it makes my eyes burn.